Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be continuing on with the blue Skyline. Okay, more MLT failures, right? Obviously we know about the mirror, that's en route. It should be here today or tomorrow hopefully, so we get a pass for the mirror because we can't drive them like that. And another thing was the door. They basically said that the door is going to come open whilst you're driving, which is a bit crazy to me. I mean, look, shuts properly, but there's like a little, it's like a slight gap, so it's not sitting properly. So I think I just need to adjust it, to be fair. I think they were just being a bit anal at the MLT place, but yeah, the door works, you know, it works how it should. It just doesn't shut properly. So I'm going to adjust that today. What else have we got to do? Yeah, the mirror, if it gets here, we'll change that over. Start doing some sound denting, I think. So get these seats out, even though we had them half had them out the other day. Take them out again. Start sound denting on the back. Put those door cards on because you know they look better on instead of in the back. Yeah, sound denting and stuff. But yeah, that's the score. Let's get it done. Look at this, look, just as I was recording that bit, me telling you my issues with the mirrors and all that, the mirror rocked up. Happy days. Oh, I'm assuming it's the mirror. I think it's the only thing I've ordered that's like this size box-ish. Great packaging. Bosh. One mirror, not smashed. Midnight purple. I mean, obviously it's not the right colour, but we'll have to paint him. Good condition now. Right, let's get this old smashed up one off. One more step closer to the Okay, that's a mirror on. Also what I purchased was a box of all clips for Skylines basically. Not just Skylines, but every car in the world I think. I've got like loads of clips in. I don't know how many there was. Because in the interior all the clips are broken. So now we have fixed that problem. And a bunch of little plastic tools to get them all the old clips out. We know what we're doing now, boys, we know what we're doing. You could have done this. The impact in it.
Yeah, I'll do that in a minute.
It's going to be done in a minute.
Okay, but I'm recording right now and I'm eating the ice cream.
You're not even recording.
I am. So
Be gentle with this impact. It's quite powerful, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah, broski.
You can easily snap it. Okay, last one. Didn't do, did it?
I'll screw in the last part.
It's done. Just checking it's tight.
Yeah, I wanna make sure it's tight.
You're not the strongest of all humans like me.
Nearly finished my ice cream now.
We can do the next bit of screwing.
Okay.
Right, there we go. Pano in. Pano is
Not sure why it says 2D.
2D.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it is because it's 2D.
What's this thing for? Oh, my turbo timer. We don't want that, do we?
Well, do you need it? Do you need your turbo timer?
No.
We've already fitted it in.
No, I don't want it.
Okay.
Can fit it maybe another day.
Yeah.
I don't want it. Okay, what we're going to do now is get out.
Roasty.
These bolts, I think, because I said something about them being loose. which is not.
Hold this, hold this. I need
Why are
to
you
go
even
put this.
recording here,
I need
bro?
to go put this.
I don't know how Rex's recording was, but yeah. Stuck that back panel on when we could get to the battery. Door cards are on. All on there properly, screwed in. Clips, all new clips. Dorito man. Same as t'other side. That's all in. Some more bits done. Moving on. You need to take the clip off, you mup. You need to like this.
Oh.
And then hoover it like that. Okay guys, we are cleaning up all the dirt and stuff that's in here, and then we're going to sound dent. And we don't like rattly Jap cars, do we? Good job. Want me to do it? I'll do it quickly. Okay, this is what we got for the sound denting. It's not the dearest, I think it's 30 quid. They get quite a lot. I only bought one pack, so hopefully get as much as we can done. Covering all this up and all the backup. Make it a bit quieter. Okay, it's pretty good stuff, I think. All you do is you peel this stuff, this grey, right off, and it's sticky. Wang it down wherever you want it, and then press. Simple as that. And then when you put your carpet over the top, it'll be a lot quieter in the car, which is what we want. We've got another layer as well, like a roll of this foam stuff. I'll show you in a minute once we've done this. I'll make it extra quiet and then put the carpet in, and we are got the quietest skyline in the entire world. Happy days. Let's do it. Gosh, one layer. I say you can get these rollers that come with them, which would be better, but you can just use your hands. Press it all down to the gaps, cover as much as you want. What I'm basically going to do is dig the main areas and then see what I've got left, and then maybe take the door cards back off, which I shouldn't have done in the first place. I'm going to do the roof as well, because that's always rattling, so we need to obviously fit this. And then does that look like it needs to be glued? That's a bit weird. Maybe re-glue that then if you need to, but put some on here and then make it quieter. Yeah, good stuff. Potato man's doing sound denting as well. I need to move the seat back. Out of the way, you moose.
Oh, where do I put it?
Need to put it.
I found this on the web.
Oh, Siri.
Do I have to tuck it in?
Yeah, like don't put it on this bit of foam. Put it in this gap. Underneath that. Tuck it under.
Okay. I tucked it.
You want me to press it? Because you have to press it hard. So it sticks. Miss cat. Is that a good job? Yeah, just need to tuck it underneath the last wire.
See, I did amazing.
It's good. Oh no, you're not underneath. That'll be right.
I got this.
One done. Now I need another one here.
Okay. I've got 1-7 right up.
Cabbage Patch Kid wants to do the roof.
I'm not a cabbage.
Here you are, Cabbage Patch Kid.
I mean,
Put your
I
feet
can
on
be
my
a tomato.
my seats that are already filthy. No, it needs to go obviously next to this one, that way. Yeah, that's it. It's not straight. I'm going to give you an F.
Why you give me F for grades?
Oh, well, if you do it rubbish.
I'm not. I'm trying my best.
We're not no tinny skylines. That's actually quite good. That's a good job. I'll tuck it underneath that bit, shall I? Because you're too much of a midget.
No.
You can't get it underneath there. You have to tuck it. That's it. Then press it. Just do the same on the other side.
I told you I could do it.
So go on the other side then. Just get you to do it all basically. And you pull this back. There he is.
Can you go put that in the carpet?
Yeah. Same as the other side exactly, yeah?
Yeah, I'll do it there. I'll
That
do
line-
it
that
here
the same?
first. It isn't straight.
go. It's easy, isn't it, this sound denting? Get ready to be recorded.
Wait, is it recorded?
Yeah, let's go. Max wants me to record the whole thing. Is that in the... That's not how we did it last time, is it? Remember the other way? Long ways.
Oh.
Come on, potato.
Sorry.
No, that wasn't the other way.
I don't understand you.
It's a long ways, that way.
Ah. I'm sorry, I just didn't understand you today.
Chicken nugget.
I got a bit confused.
Do a sound check, see how loud it is. Turn it on then. Other one. What are you doing? Is it not in gear, is it?
I need
Neutral.
to
Yep. Go on then, start it. Press. Oh, battery's flat. We have to get the booster. I'll go get the battery charge. We'll put it on charge. Okay, guys. We got a lot of it covered. We got all of that, all the footwell, the driver's side anyway. Most of the the footwells of the passengers, and 4 on the roof. We need 2 more for the back, and we got the passengers footwell and the passengers rear footwell done as well. But yeah, we got 2 left, 2 pieces left. We're gonna I'm gonna chuck them in the boot, those 2 bits, just to make this boot a bit more better. It's not even real English. Better. And I've just ordered 2 more packs, so that should be better. We'll get all the down the side of the wings there. That we'll put also in that as well. We'll do 2 more on the roof, like I said. All the back, we'll fill that up with sound denting. So it should be pretty quiet in here when we're finished, when it's running and all carpeted and stuff. But yeah, 2 more packs are en route, and then we got the foam stuff to go over the top of it all, then the carpet, and it should be nice in here. We don't want it dead quiet, but we want it, like, you know, civilized. But we've also got these bad boys to fit, which I completely forgot about. This one's a bit crusty, so I might paint the ends black again. They're a bit rusty bolts as well. Maybe get some new nuts and bolts for these. Look at them, crust. This one's alright. Shove them in. I might even stick it in and then clean it up later. Extra bit of chassis bracing. But yeah, this one goes in the boot. See, the bracket's already mounted from when it was in there before. Swang it in. Okay, is that one fitted? The rear one. Bosh, straight in there, rear strut brace. I took all this off the end of the front strut brace because they're all crusty. I'm going to clean it up, sand it down, give it a lick of paint, black paint, wang it on the car. Sand it, bro.
Look, that was kind of a little rust.
Yeah, that doesn't matter too much because that's going to go on underneath, on the top of the strut tops.
I know.
So that bit sits on top of the strut tops, and then we just paint it.
Yeah.
I'll just have a beer.
Sit down.
And then you do all the work, yeah?
Not all of it.
All the work. It's too close, bruv.
Is it that close? I'm getting all the...
That's it. Leave. And then, bit too many chemicals.
Yeah. Yeah, just
That's
need
enough.
to get it on a bit of...
That's the first coat, then you have to let it dry. That's all black. Chuck the sand dent in here to 2. We're going to put some more in. We're going to fill it all up, basically, the whole boot. But yeah, it is coming along. There's the old midnight purple mirror. Yeah, check that strut brace there. Little finishing touches on the engine bay. Rex is playing brush golf. Boys, I think we are pretty set for MOT. I mean, the door, I can't figure it out. I mean, I've took the latch, loosened the latch, moved it a little bit. It don't move much really. There's only one way of fitting it. But yeah, it shuts. But yeah, the door, like, you know, it moves like that. I don't really know what it is, whether it's the rubber seals. But yeah, it shuts. It's a bit of a weird one. I mean, I'll get them to look at it and see if they can sort it out, but I can't figure it out. All the sound deadening's in. Well, all what we have. Can't see it. But all what we got anyway with the one pack. We sound deadened a lot of it. Chuck 2 in the boot as well. Battery's on charge at the minute. I'm trickle charging it. It's almost full, which is good. I'm gonna give it. Waiting for the now where am I going? Waiting for this to dry. The old strut brace top bits. And then we'll wang it on there. Back one's in. We're gonna give it a good old bath though before the MOT because it's filthy. I mean, look at the state of the boot. Handprints all over it. Minging. So we're gonna give it a good scrub because we've got the old jet wash now and the snow foamer. Let's make the most of it. Clean these wheels up as well. Look, they've only been driven twice and they're brand new wheels. They look well crushed. Let's get it foamed. Let's foam some stuff up. Also, we're going to clean these up as well. These are the sun visors that was sunk in water for 1,000 years. So I'm going to jet wash them, give them some shampoo, see what they come out like. If they come out rubbish, we'll just get some new ones for it. But we can clean them up, we can save them, hopefully. It's only rusty water all over it. It'd be nice to get some like modern visors, you know, like some nice level ones or something to put in it, but they'll do for the minute. It's not an MOT pass anyway, we can do all this stuff later. Miles away from it. Look closer. You're not too close. Like here. Like, this is as close as we go. No closer than that though, yeah? It's actually a bit... What a moose had. What a moose.
Next side.
You're not done. No foam the car then, you moose.
3, 2, 1.
Foam. Oh, that's it, spread it out. The whole car. And the top bit. Try not to snow foam everyone's house. That's a lot of foam, bro. Our mum chums up home now. And the wheels. That's it. Do you want me to do the top bit? Do the back then. The back. Snow foam the back.
Okay.
Oh, hang on, I moved that. Foam it. Yeah. Now your foam skylines. Other side. What's you doing? You're foaming mama. Foam your mama. Alright, Doris. Go on, pay attention. Oh, yes. Wait, what about the rest of the car? You jet wash it, Olive. What a Dorito here.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing